How to use Redbubble print on demand to sell products online. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Redbubble to sell your products online and how you can add your customized products on Redbubble and what is the site and how you can use it and what are some features that you need to know about. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go onto your web browser and then you have to open redbubble.com, and you can just go onto your Google and open that as well, or you can just go on to Redbubble and you can open it for yourself. After you have done that, what you need to do is you have to basically create a profile for yourself. So for that, what you need to do is you have to enter your email, your password, and then you have to create your account. After that, you have to confirm your account, basically verify it from your inbox, the email that you provided. They will send you verification email and you have to confirm your account, and then you will come on to this website which is named Redbubble, and this is basically the explore page for Redbubble. So here you can find products that you want to buy. There are a lot of categories. They have clothing, they have stickers, phone cases, wall art, home and living, kids and babies, pets, accessories, stationery, office, and gifts, and explore designs. So in designs, you can see they have aesthetics, animal and nature, for you, Netflix fan art, and official fan art, pop culture. So these are all the things that you can basically find on Redbubble, and these are exactly the same things that you can also create on Redbubble. So it is a really great website if you want to create something and you want to sell it online. It is also a marketplace, and you can also design here as well. So what you need to do is to get started is after creating your account, you have to go into your account like right here, and then you have to click it. Here you will see there is an option which says sell your art. So you have to click on that option and it will take you to the platform where you can create your own product and you can just sell it. Okay, so there are 3 steps basically. You have to create a product for yourself, basically a couple of products, so that you can add it into your shop. Then you have to set up a shop for yourself, customize your shop to stand out. Customers love supporting original artists. Tell them your story and share your social links. So you can set up a shop on Redbubble, and then you can just add in your payment method and you can get paid. So first of all, we're going to create a design for ourselves. So I'm just going to click on this option right here which says add design. So I'm just going to click it. Okay guys, so here you have 2 options. You can upload your new work, or you can copy an existing work if you have made something before. So I'm just going to upload a new work because I haven't made anything before. If you have already added, for example, a phone case for yourself, you have added a design on your phone case and now you want to print the same design onto your shirt or some other thing, on your mug or something. So you can just go on to this option which says copy an existing work, and you can copy that specific work, the specific design that you have uploaded before, and you can upload that on and create a different thing with that. But I don't have anything like that, so I'm just going to click on this option which says upload new work. So what you can do is basically you create a design. You can use Canva for that, you can use Photoshop for that, you can use a lot of different softwares for that. After you have done that, you can add that specific design to any specific thing that you want, like if it's a t-shirt, if it's a hoodie, if it's a phone case, if it's a mug, or a lot of other things. So you have to basically you can add that specific design to all of these things, and that's how you basically create your own product. So I'm just going to add a random image right now to add in my product because it is just for the tutorial purpose. So this is a picture of 2 cherries. It is cute and everything. So I'm just going to upload this, and now I'm going to create it into my new work. So okay, so first of all, the title. What is the title going to be? I'm just going to add in a title for myself. Let's say it is cherry berry. Okay, so this is my title. Then I have tags. The tags are basically the things that makes the SEO of this specific thing that I've created. So I can add different tags, the relevant tags, like I can add cherry picture, I can add t-shirt, I can add cherry t-shirt, I can add white and red t-shirt. So these are all the tags I will be adding right here. Let's say I'm going to add a t-shirt, then I'm going to add printed, then I'm going to add red and white, then I'm going to add cherry. So these are all the tags that I have added until now. You can add up to 15 tags and use search terms your audience would look for to find your work, including your name. Make sure to separate tags with commas. Example, the pun. Okay, so this is how you basically write it. Okay, then you have to add in a description. Description is basically going to be about your product, what you are selling. Like whatever, if you're selling, you have to explain it in really good terms. It has to be very attractive. It has to be something that is very catchy, and when a person reads it, they are basically drawn to buy your product. So you have have to add a catchy kind of description for yourself, you can continue with everything else. So I'm going to write cherry right here because I'm not going into the detailed description, but you have to add a good description. It can be like 4 to 5 lines at least. Then you have your product previews. So what are you basically trying to sell? Here you can see this is a t-shirt, standard print clothing, large print clothing. Then you have your hats, and you also have your graphic tees, you have your t-shirt dresses, then you have your chiffon tops, then you have your stickers and magnets, phone cases, and A-line dresses, prints, cards and posters, duets, comforters, shower curtains, cat mats, pet blankets, travel mugs. So there are a lot of things that you can paste your design onto. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a t-shirt for myself. So I'm just going to edit this graphic t-shirt. I see that if my design is worth it, or if I want to change anything or something. So you can scale the image, you can make it larger as much as it, or smaller, however you want. Then you can change the background. Let's say I want to add a red background for myself. I'm going to go into the hex and I'm going to go and change it. So my t-shirt is now whole all red. You can change that, you can make it black if you want to, or you can go on with the white thing. So I'm just going to go with the white because it looks better on white. Then you can center vertically, you can flip it if you want to keep it here. If you want to add it as a monogram, you can just make it come here, there as well. You can just come on and place it right here, place it right there. So you can just do that. I'm going to keep it where it was in the center at right here. Okay, then you can set a background. You can choose a pattern for yourself. I'm just going to add a regular grid like this. You can make this a pattern. If you want to add an offset grid, you can do that as well. So I'm basically going to do that. I'm going to offset grid and I'm going to make this size a little bit smaller. Okay, so like this. So now you can basically apply all these changes, and here you have got your graphic t-shirt. Now if you want to add the same design on all of these different things, so you can edit them and you can change the design if you want to. And what you can do is you can also disable them if you want to. So here you have your pet bowls, leggings and socks and everything. You also have these kind of things. Then you have your media, photography, design. I'm just going to say it's a digital art. And now you have your collection right here. You can default product in your shop, and who can view anybody. Is this mature content? It's no. Then I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on save work. Okay, so now my portfolio has been created. Now what I'm going to do is only you can view and purchase this design. You can complete your payment and details to open your shop. So what I can do now is I can complete my payment details. I can add my payment method, I can add my PayPal, and then I will be able to sell it. I will be able to open my shop on Redbubble. So it is that easy, and you can create any design that you want, and you can basically create everything with Redbubble. And there are a lot of creative options for you, and there is a big platform out there, and you can create something really unique. You can start a new trend, or you can sell whatever you want. That it has to be good to generate some audience. You can generate some sales for yourself. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, you can just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.